In primetime news this evening, Policing the Farm, Agricultural Protection Branch established to tackle predial larceny.
Pay up. Opposition calls for fix regarding overtime payment to rank and file police members.
And St. Catherine South Police discover decomposed body in a vehicle. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, there's a revival coming for the sugar industry in Clarendon. The Agriculture Minister has announced a multi-million-dollar investment. I'll have that and more in the Business Day.
And thank you, Andrea. But what's coming up in Primetime Sports? Well, Spencer Darlington is here with a preview.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the Reggae boys left it late to beat T&T at the Unity Cup in England today. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
So this is what I want to know. I'm a Lucian, and we have a Trini in the sports department. Did he write that story?
No.
I don't know. I hope he did. Anyway, Romaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Jelena. Now, there is a tropical wave in the center of the Caribbean basin this evening, and we are expecting it to be moving into the Jamaica area over the next few days.
He should be in yellow or in a yellow tie if he were matching. So, Romaine's going to change his tie. You have to stick around for the weather report and forecast. He's looking at me to the side of his eye. The weather report and forecast later on. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking what more can be done to secure free beach access for citizens.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.